Here we go. Cherry limeade. Easy, simple, refreshing. I decided to make a mostly sugar-free version of one of my favorite drinks. So instead of using sugar, I use stevia in the raw. Excuse me. And instead of using um, regular 7 Up or Sprite or even Mountain Dew or Sierra Mist, I used sugar-free 7 Up. The only thing that contains sugar is the maraschino cherries. So this is the first time I've ever made it this way. And it came out pretty damn good, if I do say so myself. It still got the nice tart, of course, from the lime. I get the sugar from the stevia and the raw. It's a good combination. If you're diabetic, hook it up. If you're not diabetic, try it anyway. If you're on a diet or one of them calorie counting folks, I don't know what that's like. But it came out really good. I'm really surprised. I will give you the entire recipe right now to show you how simple it is. Okay, if you're going to use stevia in the raw, I used 1.5 cups. I used a 2-liter bottle of 7 Up, sugar-free. I used a 12-ounce jar of maraschino cherries, no stems, and you use the juice from that jar. That's it. Oh, excuse me, I'm sorry. And the most important part, I used a cup, well, a hair more than a cup of lime juice. Now, if you're going to use fresh squeezed lime juice, you need a, almost 2 cups. That's a lot of limes. I did use also 1 lime, thinly sliced, that I threw in. You'll see that in the video. If you're going to do it the regular way, you want to use 2-liter bottle of 7 Up, Sprite, whatever lemon lime soda you want to use. Still, 10 or 12-ounce jar of maraschino cherries and their juice, 1 cup of sugar, the lime juice, same thing. If you're using the bottled stuff, 1 cup. If you're using fresh squeezed limes, you need almost 2 cups of juice. And that's it. Let it chill. If you want to serve it over a little bit of ice like I did, just a touch of ice. This, you want to use a ladle when you serve it because you want some of the cherries, which are in there. They're just down there at the bottom. Kind of see one right there. And, like some lime. If you're going to use fresh squeezed lime juice, don't throw the limes away. After you squeeze the lime juice out, you want to cut that and throw those cuts with at least 1 fresh lime that wasn't juiced into. So when you serve it, you want to be able to serve with a lime wedge right there, and another one hanging out on the top, swimming around, and some of the cherries down on the bottom. Okay? And sit back and enjoy.